Hi, my name is Brian Panino with Panino Management Group. We're the construction manager for RTD on the BRT 4 MLK Corridor. Today we're back on MLK and B Street near Caltrans, and we're setting up the concrete forms and the reinforcing bar in the shelter foundation for a pour early next week. So what you see behind me is this is what the shelter will actually sit on top. And so the concrete and the rebar makes the foundation for the shelter so that it will hold up to any wind loads and not fall over. What you're seeing behind me is a mat of rebar, or reinforced steel bar. And I have it in my hand right here. It's about a 1/2 inch in diameter. It's called a number 4 rebar, and it comes in various lengths. And what the crews do is they install this in a mat type format at a certain spacing, and that provides the structural integrity for the structural section of the shelter foundation. And that really prevents the shelter from falling over or in the wind or falling down at any time. And it's the base of what the actual shelter gets installed into. So they'll set up to pour this early next week, and then after that is complete and set up, they'll strip all the forms out and then start working on the actual forming for the concrete pour for the bus layover pad that we're standing on right now. Well, we're back at MLK and French Camp Turnpike right near Edison High School. We showed you this site last week, grading activities and concrete forming, getting ready for the first pour. You'll see behind me to my left our concrete bus layover pad. That was poured last week, and it is a little bit unique because it's double long, so it's 2 buses long. Usually we only have 1 bus layover location, but for this particular spot, we thought it'd be prudent to have a little bit more storage area for the buses. Over to my right, you'll see the shelter pad ready and all formed up and reinforced and ready to pour also next week, getting ready ahead of transit amenity installations such as shelters, fair vending machines, etc. So what's left to do on this side after that concrete gets poured is the street work. We have a little bit of excavation to do to prep for the asphalt paving to go on top, and then this will get all buttoned up and repaved so the street will be back to normal ahead of the transit amenity installation following with the bus shelter installation and the fair vending machine.
The places you can go on RTD.